This is the world that you know. The world as it was at the end of the 20th century. It exists now only as part of a neural interactive simulation that we call the Matrix.
We found a place safe. All on our own, we've come so far, but you've always been my home. I know it's dark, 'cause one of us just let it go. You let go.
There you are. Wondering what's going on, eh? One question first. Are you feeling anything that can be construed as...
explosive cell death?
No? Wonderful. Let's get started.
Now will you join the Unity, or not?
Join.
Not.
Mutants are best equipped to deal with the world today.
Who else?
The ghouls?
Please.
Normals?
They brought nuclear death to us all. This will be the age of mutants. Mutants.
Now for something completely different.
Preposterous! So what shall it be? Do you join the Unity, or do you die here?
Most will be offered a chance to become a mutant.
Those who deny this
Opportunity,
will be sterilized and
let go. Those that resist will be
executed.
the remainder will be allowed to live out their days.